Hello everyone, it's Kelly Nickel with Venice Real Estate Group and welcome to the See It Now property tour, the updated See It Now property tour of 429 I Street in Bedford, Indiana. We can't wait to show you all of the updates in construction since the last time you've taken a look. You'll notice these beautiful wrapped columns and the stonework here on the front of the home just really makes a huge impact. Your concrete driveway has been poured up to your two-car attached garage. Come on in and notice this wonderful front porch. It's covered and shady, and you can admire your beautiful stone front here. Now let's take a look. Now we are still under construction, but it definitely looks a lot different than the last time we were here. So come on in. And as you come in this front entry hallway to the right is the first of the bedrooms. So come on in. Has a nice big windows up here. And if you did not need 3 bedrooms, this would make an amazing home office with this nice natural light coming in. And like I said, we're still under construction, so we don't have any lights going on. So even with no electricity on, it's still pretty light in this room. You have the double closet doors here. That would make a great office or craft room or playroom there at the front of the home. Now we also have a 2-car attached garage that you saw when we came up. Let you take a quick peek in there. Very convenient for bringing in your groceries. It's just right off the front of the house and walk right into the kitchen. And you do have that exterior man door there to the side of the house. And you have lots of space on both sides of the house, yard on the side, as well as a big backyard that's very nice and flat. Now take a look at this kitchen. The builder did leave a sample of the granite that's going to be used for the countertops. Isn't that beautiful? The light grays and creamy white tones. We've got all white cabinets in here, lots of storage space. There's going to be lots of counter space for preparing. On the other side of the counter here will be a nice bar where you can have seating over here overlooking your kitchen so that you can mingle with your guests when you're entertaining. Would also be a nice little workspace. If you were using all 3 bedrooms, it'd be a nice place to sit and do some work from home or kids doing homework. Then you'll see we have this really large open main living space where you could have dining and living combined. If you needed additional seating other than just the bar, for some people, just the bar seating would be enough, and you could use all of this space just for couches and lounge area. But there's definitely enough room to put a dining table as well. Now we have the sliding glass doors out to the backyard. You could put a nice patio out here. It'd be easy to fence in for pets or kids, or you could even do additional parking in the back because there is an alley off the back. Now, through this hallway, on the left, you will see the guest bath, full bath here. It's got a tub shower combo. It's a little dim in here since we don't have any lights right now. But very nice. Love the tile floor in here. Again, it has the white cabinets. And then right across the hall, you will see the laundry. I love this floor in here. You've got storage cabinets above where the washer and dryer will go. Love that. Now, on down at the end of the hall, you will find a 2nd bedroom. And again, that guest bath is conveniently located for either guests or whoever might be using this bedroom. You have the double door closets in here as well and a nice window. This is a good sized bedroom. Next, we will take a look at the primary suite. lots of natural light in this room. You've got a big window shining in there. We have a nice big walk-in closet. You have room on both sides here where you could put in shelves. See, you can all the way over here and all the way over here. So you have lots of room for storing your clothes and accessories. Now, in here is the attached bath. I'll let you go in and take a look. It has the same tile floor as the other bathroom. It will have a double vanity sink, and look at the stand-up shower, all the nice tile work, that little built-in bench. I love that. That is definitely a nice feature. Yes, who wouldn't want to relax in that shower? Now, I'm sure you are surprised at how much progress has been made, and it looks amazing. So we would invite you to, schedule an appointment to have an in-person tour and watch for more updates as construction continues. If you would like an in-person tour, give us a call. Bye.